The 2015 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, electronic stability control, day and night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, tilt steering wheel, engine immobilizer, splash guards, sliding rear window, black door handles, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, power rear window sunshade. Come see the car for yourself.